We are getting no signal from the Republic, Your Highness.
I don't see anything. It is not like the Jedi to be late.
Greetings, King Katunko.
Who are you?
I am only a messenger, Majesty. My master wishes to speak with you.
Katunko, great king of Toydaria. Forgive my intrusion.
Count Dooku.
I am aware Master Yoda hopes you will allow the Jedi to build a Republic base in your system in exchange for protection, correct?
Your spies serve you well, Count.
I ask, how can the Jedi protect you if they cannot protect themselves?
Toydarian Royal Delegation, this is the Republic Envoy. Please respond. General, the Toydarian's beacon is active on the moon, but all our transmissions are being jammed.
We caught them by surprise, all right.
We're losing our shields.
Too late it is. Sprung is the trap.
I must get you to safety, General.
Retreat you must. On the moon below is my mission. There, I must go.
I suppose you and your droid armies can do better?
Without a doubt. I sense you are one who respects strength, Your Highness. Our droid armies outnumber the Republic clones 100 to 1.
Perhaps. But I have heard that a single Jedi equals 100 battle droids.
Quickly now, reach the planet's surface we must.
In an escape pod, sir? The enemy will fire at anything we launch.
Then launch all of them, you will.
Master Yoda's powers have been greatly exaggerated.
That remains to be seen, Count.
Indeed. When you decide to join us, my apprentice will contact me.
Hang on. Almost. What a terrible shot. Ah, well. It's my programming.
That was a close one. General, I think we're out of range.
I agree. But entering another trap, we are.
Are you sure?
A disturbance in the Force, there is.
My lord, Master Yoda's warship has fled the system. What further evidence do you require of the Jedi's weakness?